Dave. How's things?
Good, thanks, you?
Yeah, still enjoying it.
Good.
Hello, mate.
Hi.
Oh, here we are. Beautiful. I'm in love. Well, the bike is finally finished. It took 2 months to get the bits and get it built up, and it's finally done. Today is the first time I get to ride it. I'm so excited. I've got a Michael with me. We're going to just send it. We're going to go on everything we can. There's some steep stuff, going to find some drops, everything. But let me talk you through the bike first. So from the top, this is a Ragley Big 29er from 2021. It's old bike stock from a shop that didn't manage to sell them, so I got it cheap. And the first thing I did was, alright, it might sound like we're in a war zone, but we're just in a military area and they're doing practice in the background, so don't mind that. So we got rid of the RockShox Recon Silver RL 140 and I switched it out. I sold that on eBay, and then I bought this Domain 150mm. Can't wait to see what this is like. Well happy with that, beautiful. So moving down, and I had to go for a 203mm Shimano rotor because the old 180mm just wouldn't fit, so I went for that. I tried to set up the tyre tubeless but couldn't make it work. The air keeps slipping out, I don't know what's going on, so I put the tube back in. While I remember, actually, the bike shop weighed this bike and it came out at 14.3 kg. So once I get it set up tubeless and get the inner tubes off it, it's going to be, what, 13.8 kg, so it's not too bad. Pretty happy with that, guys. Nuke-proof Neutron hubs, pretty sweet. Excited to see what they're like. And they're on WTB, what is it, STI 130 rims. Budget, but good enough for now. See how we get on. Then moving up, I got rid of the old stem and got this. It's another Ragley stem. This is 35mm. I think the standard one's 55mm. And this is the Ragley V2 stubby, I think. It just mainly aesthetics. I just think it looks so much better. It's beautifully machined, guys. Little cheeky lady off the bay, why not? Didn't manage to get any P&W handlebars in the end, so still rolling the old ones. We'll see how we get on, and maybe I won't even need an upgrade on the handlebars. Let's see. Grips, we went for some Race Face Getter grip. Because I'm a small person and I've got little hands, I did buy some more kind of comfortable grips, some Tinker Jerez ODI grips, but they're just too fat for my hands, so I'm just going to have to accept that because I'm small and little hands, I'm never going to have a grip that's going to be that padded and forgiving. So this is what I came up with. We'll see how we get on with these. Purple doesn't match very well, unfortunately, but never mind. Setup was a bit tricky because when you put the brake forward, the gears come towards you, so that's a bit of a compromise. Dropper post, I went for a Brand X Ascend 150 dropper post. There she is. Nice bit of kit, and it's just the right length for my legs actually. Any higher and then I wouldn't be able to ride the bike. So got away with that one. Absolutely perfect. Carbon fibre water bottle holder, cage, whatever. Shimano Dior group set, it's all standard stuff that came with the bike. Dior brakes. We'll see how we get on with it. And then the only other upgrade was some DMR V12 pedals. Pretty sweet, guys. Super happy with it. Oh, I did some cable tidy bits as well. I'll put them on the e-bike as well, because I've had sort of frame rubbish in the past and it just did me head in. So, oh, and there's meant to be a RockShox Zeb factory bad boy fender here, but the courier service, they didn't deliver. It's 3 days late, so gutted I couldn't have that on the bike for the first ride, but never mind. Guys, this bike has never been downhill, and we're in the woods.
Hello. Morning.
Morning. You're gonna have a go in a minute.
New bike day.
Yeah, new bike day.
Very jealous.
It's never been down a hill, Michael.
I'm on old bike day.
Yeah.
We've gone back to the old school.
Mate. Beautiful. Right, let's go down the hill for the first time. Oh my god. Right. Super excited for this one. Do I do the drop and smash my ankle in? I've done my ankle in at work. Do we do the drop? Oh, I don't know. Oh my god, here we go. Oh yeah, no problemo. Oh, brakes don't work yet. Wow. That's cool. It feels really long. Yeah, man. That's well good. Wicked. First downhill. Oh my god. Yeah, it feels really long. It's kind of weird. Feels long and thin. It's going to take some getting used to, I think. Winner?
That's well, good little track. Remember that one?
Yeah. Let's do it again. Right, guys. Up again. This one's quite a steep one. Oh, we're going to lock out. That's a new concept. I'm dying. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gee. Oh. Won't be getting as many runs in. Well, 2 minutes later, I'm still out of breath.
Not used to this climbing stuff.
I'm not used to this climbing stuff. Right, let's send it again, dog. Oh yeah. Tell you what, I don't know, I might have felt a little give in the frame there, like the compliance that people talk about, maybe. Yeah, man. Better run. Building up confidence in that front end. Wicked. This next one's got a nice kicker on it. Let's see if I can find the entrance. Ooh. Oh, they built it up. Whoa! Gonna have to get used to jumping on this. Oh yeah, the rain's ruined it a bit. We had a lot of rain recently. Yeah, man. Whew. Not up to my usual speed, but we're getting used to it. Yeah, that's not running as well as it has been. I think it's had a lot more traffic and the rain's kind of ruined it a bit. They built the kicker up, you see that? Oh, the front just went up because I've got no rear shock. I've gone off it like I normally go, and then I've just gone up and not the whole lot. That's weird. It's a different technique, obviously. Oh, oh, jeez Louise. Oh my god. Yeah, these ain't running great, are they? The Ragley's coping though, it's coping. Yeah, man.
Yeah. You can iron it up for a while.
Hello.
Hello.
We're getting quite a cruise together here.
Yeah.
Mate. Should we go down, guys?
We'll follow these gents down.
Yeah, you'll probably be quicker than me, guys.
The gears are working.
This one's steep, Michael. Proper enduro track there. Oh my god, foot off already. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, I felt that. Mate, well good. Oh, muddy puddles. Ready?
Yeah, go for it.
Right, don't go too fast because you've got to hang a proper right. Oh. Ugh. And then can't remember which one it is. There we go. Winner. Well good. Not bad. Don't look at it, just go. Just roll. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah, baby.
Well done for the win. Well, it's been a good morning, guys. Bumped into some other boys here. I think his name's Daryl and Ben. So it's turned into a bit of a impromptu sort of tour guide session. But it's been a good morning. Everything's working as it should. The forks are working nice, the pedals, the dropper. It all feels really nice. Oh, that's steep. Yeah, man. Yeah. Missed that out. Yeah, it's been a good morning. Good first ride. Yes, Michael. Oh no, you've messed me up. West side. Good time. Oh, jeez. Pretty impressed with these gears as well, actually. Gears and brakes are working pretty well. Training. It's just to be a smoke one, probably. Wouldn't touch it though.
Nah, I don't think probably best not, eh? Ben, when you need him, use it for us.
I used to come walking with my dad here in the 80s and he was like, don't touch anything. Wicked. Well, it's nice to meet you.
Yeah, cheers for the ride,
Nice
guys.
one, Ben. See you later, Dale. Yeah, no worries.
Appreciated.
No worries. Enjoy your rides. There we have it, Michael. She's all dirty. Got a bit of a loam shelf going on down there. Good first ride, guys. Really enjoyed it. Shame you didn't get to have a go on it, unfortunately. Next time, Michael. Yeah, everything's performing as it should, I think. Got a little bit of bob when I'm pedalling with the forks, but might be able to dial that out. But everything's sweet. I'm really happy with it. Feels very sort of long, and it's not really smashed me in. I was expecting it to really smash me in a bit, so maybe the compliance of the frame is true. It does have a bit of give in it. But yeah, so
Very pretty.
very pretty. Good first ride. I'm really happy with what I did with it. Changing bits for the price, basically the price of a 1.0. I think I've got a slightly better spec bike for the same money, so
Like that.
yeah, the grips have worked out. I was wondering if I thought they might be a little bit hard, but they've been no problem. Basically, if you've got nothing to really compare it against, but really, like, I haven't really got anything bad to say about it or negative, or nothing's really niggling at me. So that's a good thing, really. Everything's sort of performing as it should, and yeah, just can't wait to ride again. It's just family time's calling now, and we're off skis. But thanks for watching the video, guys. Got any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. That's about 90-something% of the people watching the video aren't subscribed. It's mental, isn't it? So if you're one of them, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in your next one. Thanks for watching, guys.